All right, I'd like to give a big shout out for today's video sponsor, Lakithor. They sent us out their entry level portable jump starter and air compressor kit. So we're going to talk a little bit about this unit. And yeah, I've been loving these jumper units. As you can see, we've got a bunch of them already here, and they are an awesome item to have in your car for those times when you're stranded on the road, you need a quick jump, no one else is around you. All right, this got shipped to us pretty quickly, and inside you can find the basic tools you need to make this work. So first things first, you got a nice little device here, multi-function. This is a jumper, this is also a tire inflator, and it's a power bank. So going over the units here, let's turn it on and see what it features. As you can see, we already charged this unit, and you can adjust the PSI of the tire pressure that you want your tires to be, and you connect the tire pressure hose, which comes with different attachments for different tools. You're just gonna plug that right in here. Again, select the tire pressure, which most of the time we're running around 32, 33 pounds, and then go ahead and pump. As you can see, once it reached that designated PSI level by the resistance, it turns off and you can move on to the next tire. So that's always nice to have. Again, pretty small and compact, and it just works. I'm also gonna talk to you guys about this light. This is like a 300 lumen LED light. This is probably the brightest LED light that I've had compared to the other jumpers that I've used in the past. This is definitely taking the cake. So really bright light, as you can see. And this thing is advertised to stay on fully charged for about 17 hours if I'm not mistaken. It also has an SOS or flash mode, and here's that last mode that you can just put outside your vehicle when you're stranded, you need some help. And going over some of these features here, it is, like I said before, it is also a power bank. You got a USB and a USB-C compatible device to charge your phones and any other items you may need. And right over here is where our jumper cables go into. Now let's talk a little bit about these jumper cables. You just plug them in, connect it to your positive negative battery terminal, and then you'll be off to jumping the battery. Now, my only complaint is these seem a little bit more flimsy than I'm used to, and then the plastic on the clamps just is one of those hard plastics that, you know, over the long haul, it might not just hold up. But those are my only complaints. I may be completely wrong. This may last long time, but let's try jumping the car with this. So we got a green light. That means we're good to jump the car right here. And it's actually telling us how much volts we have. 12.3 volts. I like that feature right there. And as you can see, 14.6 volts. We're good to go. Battery is still full. Very nice. So we're gonna start it up, and let's do, so there's 30.3 pounds in there. That's pretty good actually. Let's bump it up to 34. All right, thanks again, Lakitor. Thank you for sending me this device out. If you guys are interested in these portable jumpers, definitely check out the link in the description below and pick yourself one up. Again, I always say it's awesome to just keep one in every single vehicle that you own.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.